look who's decided to join us today. Hiding amongst the work tools. You had to think. He'll definitely find me here because he's working. Well, at least you decided to join me. We're about to get started. I'm going to build a shelf on this wall. And this floor is really unlevel. There's a big dip right there. Concrete slab over here. I'm going to run a floor from that slab over to there in front of the shelf so that you can walk right off the slab and use the shelf, see? So I guess we can get started now that half the work's done and you're finally here. You people. Okay, you see what I've done here? Got my bottom floor shelf done. I put these two up. I'll be running boards on them, building shelves out just like this bottom piece here. I had to attach this one up. There's nothing on that board up right now. There will be when I get this front one up and I build the shelves. It'll be fine. I'll make sure everything's level and plumb. But this front board here is going to be the floor joist for my floor. I'm going to build a floor over here, and instead of using a whole board there, I'm just going to attach to that one and put me a support on there in the middle, so that you can walk on it. I mean, look how deep this is. It's almost to my knee. This hole. It's very hard to get in and out of here. You get this floor built right here, you'll be able to walk out here, use this shelf, no problems. And I'm also going to put a little shelf down here for small items. But she's level, and now I need to ooh. Yeah, I can still do it that way. I'm just gonna have to. I didn't bring my jigsaw. I can use the other saws. I got other saws. Yeah, I can use other saws. Okay, all right. Just calm down. Everybody's got to be crazy today. Anyway, I'm going to. I got enough for one, two. I got enough for 3 shelves of the shelving stuff. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to secure these here, make sure everything's right here, and then get me a support here in the middle. Build me a second shelf. I'm just going to build it right on top of this one, and then I'll measure up and boom, screw it in, and we'll be good to go. My floor is over here. It's 34 inches wide. So I'm going to need 34. So I need 34 minus 3, 31. I need to cut some 31 inches, 31 inch 2x4s, and I need 131 inch treated 2x4. 4, 6, 8, and 1 inch. Sure. Well, here. Want? I mean, it fits. It's there. What do you want from me? It's beautiful. Well, went ahead and finished her up here. You kind of got the gist of it with the first two shelves and the floor, I hope. Got this top shelf here. These are 11 feet long, 2 foot deep. Whoa. And there's 2 shelves and then there's a floor unit as well. So I think I'm going to come back here tomorrow. Might put a 3rd shelf up there. There's 1 light in here, 1 light bulb. I'm going to put several more of those in. I'm going to move that switch over down to where's it at? It's up there, you see. This is where the switch is. It's way up there. You know, 7.5 feet off the floor, and it's hanging from a 2x4. I'm going to move that. I think I'm going to move it to right here. You know, right in this area here, right off of this post, and down here where you can reach it. You know, that kind of deal. Put about 3 or 4 more lights in here, maybe more, and what else? Bring another piece of 3/4 inch OSB to fill that hole, because it's not gonna, this piece that I've got is a little bit short. All in all, the shelves are pretty strong, sturdy, and I really like them, and I think the customer is gonna like them too. Yeah, it's been a couple of months since I finished this little project here. I built the shelves over here, built the floor, I built some extra shelves here on the end, and I installed more lighting in here, and it really turned out pretty good. So here's the end shelves I put in, and then here's your shelves. They are 12 feet long, plenty of shelves. So there's 3, including the floor down there, and then you got your floor goes over to the concrete pad. So the switch, the light switch used to be here, and then I installed these lights here. 2 more light, 3 more lights, 1 here and 2 down there, and then I put the switch here with an outlet right there. So it's, you know, easy to reach, nice and easy, works great. So that project is done, piece of cake. There was a lot to it though, a lot to it. Turned out pretty good. That's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.